In this video, we'll explore the importance of using Sora in a way that's ethical, transparent, and responsible. I'm sure you'll agree that AI comes with incredible opportunities, but it also comes with responsibilities. Here's why ethical usage matters. First of all, trust. If there's no trust, there's no sale. Whether you're a business or a content creator, your audience needs to trust that the content that you create is authentic and honest. Secondly, fairness. Ensuring that AI-generated content doesn't perpetuate bias or misinformation is critical. And reputation. Using AI responsibly enhances your credibility and strengthens your brand. Let's look at some of the main ethical concerns you need to be aware of when using AI tools like Sora. Number 1. Misinformation. AI-generated videos can be manipulated to create misleading content. Ensure that your videos are truthful and transparent. Number 2. Bias. AI models are trained on data that may reflect societal biases. Be mindful of how your content represents people, cultures, and ideas. Privacy. Avoid using personal data, images, or footage without permission. AI should not infringe on someone's privacy or rights. Number 4. Transparency. Disclose when content is AI generated. Audiences appreciate honesty and clarity. Copyright infringement. Ensure that any media used, such as images or footage, complies with copyright laws. Also, something to keep in mind is Sora's policies and guidelines. Sora does have clear policies and guidelines to promote responsible use of its tools. Here's how to ensure your videos align with it. Avoid creating videos that promote hate speech, misinformation, violence, or illegal activities. Use the platform to produce positive, educational, or entertaining content that aligns with ethical standards. Respect intellectual property rights. Ensure that all content, including text prompts and visuals, complies with copyright laws. Avoid misleading representations. Don't present AI-generated content as real footage or factual documentation unless explicitly stated. Disclose AI involvement. Be transparent about the role of AI played in creating the content. Add disclaimers like, this video includes AI-generated elements created with Sora. Stay updated on policies. By adhering to these policies, you will not only align with Sora standards, but also reinforce trust with your audience. However, I cannot provide legal advice, so it's always better to check things with legal advisors. These are just some of the things you should pay attention to, and if you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, I will see you in the next video.